Hello everyone, I'm Pallavi, your paper 1 educator from Sahitya classes, and today I am here with this video wherein I will be telling you about all the state level exams which are being conducted this year. What are their exam dates, what are the dates wherein you can fill the form, what all set exams are there, and what all queries you have about your set exams. Yes, very good afternoon. We do have UGC NET exam, but once you go to a set exam, once you go to a state level exam and you try and see the syllabus, then the syllabus of UGC and the set exams are absolutely similar. Even if you will see the syllabus, you will see most of the lines are also very similar in the syllabus given in the state level exams. So it is very easy and convenient for you to go for state level. You can give any state. You don't have to belong to that state to give that examination. You can attempt as many exams as you want. So, it will enhance your practice. It will encourage you to practice the whole year. There are so many examinations which are being held. So it will in all will help you to locate what all examinations are there. Prepare yourself for that. It is again one step towards your dream goal UGC. Okay, so planning is a very important word, which I think if you start from today, you will definitely reach to your goal. So planning is very important. Planning is bringing the future into the present. So you are bringing your future into the present so that you can do something about it now. You have to do something about it now, right? If you know that, in coming months, my state level examinations are these, and I can prepare at least for one of them very nicely so that my final goal is also very helpful for it. And then UGC and all will also be very simple for us because we are actually practicing for it. So let's go ahead. I'll tell you there are 15 state level examinations which are being held. Total in all 15 states conduct examinations. It can happen once a year, it can happen twice in a year also, but generally it is once in a year. If there are more vacancies, then it is happening twice in a year. Okay, so basically these are the I have got a tabular form for you wherein we'll be discussing and talking about all state level examinations. So we'll be starting with Jammu Kashmir, which is also called JNK set, Jammu Kashmir State Eligibility Test. इसको हम JK set भी कहते हैं. We call it Jammu Kashmir set. So basically 27th April 2025 is the examination date. It will be happening on 27th of April. And forms were out in January 2025 January. अभी आपका January month में forms were out, and last date is 10th of February 2025. After that you cannot fill the forms. So if you have missed that, then you can go for the other examinations, not Jammu Kashmir. Maharashtra state is MH set. 15th June is the examination date, and last date to fill the form is 12th of April. Why I am telling you this? So that you have everything, all the details, all the necessary requirements in front of you, and you can just set your target that yes, I want to give this examination. These are the dates which I can apply on. These are my last dates. So I don't want you to work hard on things which are not important, looking for dates. We are here to provide you with all such things. You just need to study, okay? And plan which examination you want to give, okay? So next is your Assam state. Assam state, 23rd March is the examination date. 23rd of March, the examination will be conducted. Kerala state was last held in this month only, 2nd of February. So we don't know if it will be conducted again this year or not. If not, then it's only the next year where you can attempt Kerala state examination. Then is Chhattisgarh state examination, which is 5th and 11th May. It happens in two parts, part 1 and part 2. So 5th May is the part 1 and 11th May is the part 2. And the last date is again 12th of April. So if you see the pattern, generally January, February, March, April, May, all these months are the exam. Every month there is some exam or the other state exam. So you can actually try and focus on one examination, Prepare for it, give your best and attempt that examination, and it will actually help you in your UGC main examination also. See, state level examinations may all the examinations are different categorized. Some are very easy, some are very difficult, some are equivalent to UGC's level as well. So you can see what the previous year question papers, I have discussed also many of them many a times. So we can all plan what all papers we want in class. I'm once I'm teaching, I'm telling all the questions also, that this question was asked in set examination, this question was asked in the UGC examination, so that you know what kind of questions are being asked in what kind of state level examinations also. Okay, so next is your Chhattisgarh. We have discussed Rajasthan state examination, which will happen somewhere in May 2025. The date is not yet there, and April would be the last, somewhere in April would be the last day to this thing. So you can keep a track on it from the official website as well. Next is your Madhya Pradesh state MP set. The date yet have to be announced, and the last test happened in 15th of December. So generally, most likely, your Madhya Pradesh state will will be announced for December only 2025. So it's the whole year which you have to wait for it, unless and until there is some other announcement. But it just recently happened on 15th of December, so it's not happening very soon. Okay, so next is your Karnataka state. The exam is scheduled for 31st of December. So it is again, these examinations are some examinations which will happen in the near future, in the very near, not very near, but very late in the future, that is December. These Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka most likely are supposed to happen in December 2025. Again, West Bengal set is also should be somewhere in December only, around 15th of December. So these three examinations will be held in your December attempt only. So we have a long time to prepare for that. We can look some short-term examinations like Himachal Pradesh set. Your HP set is scheduled for May. So you can focus on that examination. It is scheduled for May, and the last date would somewhere lie in April to fill the forms. So be aware, April में बहुत सारे examinations की, set examinations की last date होती है, and the exams are generally conducted in May or June. So please, April में एक बारी फिर से we'll bring out a video that the forms are out and you can fill those forms for the state level examinations. Uttarakhand state, again it is happening in May and April में उसका form आएगा. So April is a hot month to fill all the forms. So just remember it in your mind. Then is Andhra Pradesh set. August में इसका कहीं ना कहीं होगा Andhra Pradesh set का, and applications will open in July. So please stay tuned. If you're not following us, please follow us so that we can give you the daily updates of what are the examinations which are upcoming and where you can fill your forms, you can put it in your targets. Okay. So these are the 12. Now we'll see the next 3 state level examinations. One is Gujarat set. Gujarat set is to be announced. It happened in December month, 1st of December in 2024. So it is supposedly we assume that it will happen in December only. So if you are looking for the December attempt state level examinations, then you can consider Gujarat set also. Then is Tamil Nadu state. It has yet to be announced. There is no information about it as of yet. Then is Telangana state level examination. Again, it has to be announced. Last it happened in August 2024. So we are assuming that it will happen somewhere in near July or August only. So I hope this video is useful for you to understand that these kind of state level examinations are there. There are 15 states which are conducting their state level examinations, and you can think to attempt any one of them. I've told you which months are important, what months are hot for it. The syllabus is absolutely the same. So you can refer to any of it. You can go back to any of the UGC syllabus and start preparing The state level examinations will also help you fetch marks in your UGC because the syllabus is same. It will be a practice test for you. So please consider it, all the things. Save the video, follow us for more updates of what and when the examinations are coming, what forms you can fill out. Thank you very much. I am Pallavi.